We humans are social beings. We cannot live alone. It's very important for us to get along with other people. Your success depends on your communication skills a lot. The type of life, the quality of life you will have also depends on your communication skills. But there are some myths regarding communication skills, like people are born with it. It's only for extroverts. Not everyone can become a public speaker. But the truth is, just like any other skills, you can develop your communication skills. Even if you are an introvert, you can be an excellent public speaker with practice. Every great speaker you know was a bad speaker in the beginning. Today, I will share 3 tips to improve your communication skills and 1 secret tip in the end of the video. Number 1. Listening. Yes, does it happen to you that while someone else is talking, you often prepare a speech in your mind while they are talking? Well, that means you're not listening. You're just getting ready to react. Do not react. Respond when someone else is talking. Give full attention to what the other person is trying to convey. Improving your listening skills is very crucial to make you a great communicator. Communication does not mean that only you talk. Other people need to listen to you, and for that you need to be a good listener first. Richard Branson tells that to connect with others and to communicate effectively, you should listen what the other person has to say. Number 2. Non-verbal communication. One study shows that 55% of our communication is non-verbal. That is true mostly when you are trying to convey emotion to the other person. This means your body language and facial expressions. Yes, people take a note of this subconsciously. Certain body postures convey certain information about us. For example, when we are happy and confident, we expand, we tend to take more space, we open our arms. On the other hand, when we are sad and depressed, we try to reduce our space. We do this subconsciously. Similarly, our body behaves in a certain way when we are nervous or confident. Some body postures that convey lack of confidence and nervousness: arms closed, looking down, touching face and hair. Number 3. Self-awareness. Yes, self-awareness is also important to improve your communication skills. Until and unless you are not aware about yourself, you won't be able to communicate well. By learning about yourself and understanding how you react to things, you will have a better control on yourself, and this will make you emotionally stable. And this will help you interact well with others. For example, during your presentation, 2 persons left the room and you could see it. Now, how would you react to this? There could be 2 possibilities. Either they left because they found your presentation boring, or maybe they went to use the restroom. Now, if you are confident and emotionally stable, you will keep a neutral reaction to this and you will continue your presentation. This is why understanding your emotional quotient and becoming self-aware is also important. You can improve self-awareness by regular practice of meditation and self-analysis. Now it's time for the secret tip. Your confidence level determines the quality of your communication. As I mentioned earlier, that 55% of your communication is non-verbal communication, and your non-verbal communication displays your confidence. So if you are not confident, then just fake it. Studies show that when we feel confident, our brain releases certain hormones, and that leads to taking more space and speaking loudly. Now, it has also been observed that this process can be reversed. If you take more space and start speaking loudly, your brain thinks that you are feeling confident and it releases the same hormones. It works every time. Next time you are feeling nervous, take the Superman pose. Put your arms in the air and say, "I'm confident," and stay in that pose for some time. You'll start feeling confident. That's why there's a saying that fake it until you make it. So friends, that's it for today. If you found this video useful, do hit the like button, and until next time, keep learning.